Welcome to our atomic scale catalysis group. I'm Biao He, a PhD student and research assistant at Ruhr University Bochum.
My name is Bai. I'm also a PhD student. I'm working together with Biao He in the research of electrocatalysis and hydrogen production.
Our research focus is on hydrogen production using innovative catalyst materials. Specifically, we employed atomic probe tomography to understand the compositional and the structural change of the nanoparticles at atomic level. Our first step is chemical synthesis. We focus on synthesizing high-performance catalytic materials using various chemical methods. By carefully controlling factors like temperature, pressure, and reaction time, we tailor the catalyst to meet specific performance criteria. The precision of these parameters allows us to optimize the catalyst for maximal hydrogen production efficiency.
After we have the catalysts, we move on to measure the catalytic activity and stability. We aim to figure out the electrochemical behavior of the catalyst during the electrocatalysis process. Understanding why catalysts perform the way they do and investigating the cause of performance degradation over time is the essential part of our research. In APK Lab, we use advanced atom probe tomography, which provides us with 3D computational insights at the atom level. This technology allows us to deeply investigate the structure of our material and uncover mechanisms responsible for the loss of activity, leading to the improvement in the future material designs.
Through our comprehensive research efforts, we strive to contribute to the global transition towards a sustainable hydrogen economy by developing catalysts that not only enhance hydrogen production but also make it more feasible and cost-effective.